Hey, Kyle Doney here with LVN Real Estate, your Denver cash home buyer. We buy houses fast, fair, and make your life easy. I wanted to talk in this video about selling your property and the taxes that you might need to pay. I have good news and I have bad news, depending on who you are. If you are living in your house as your primary resident, you might be able to have huge tax exemptions. For example, if you live in your house for at least 2 of the last 5 years as your primary residence, and let's say you sell your house for $250,000 and owe $0 on it, you are exempt from $250,000 worth of taxes. That means if you sell your house tomorrow to a cash buyer like LVN Real Estate, and you sold it to us for $250,000, you would pay 0 taxes on that money and you would get $250,000 in your bank account. Now that's the rule for single people. If you're married, the rate goes even higher. So if you're married, you're exempt up to $500,000. So an example of this would be if you owe $0 on your property and you sell it for $500,000, you would pay 0 tax on that $500,000 since it's been your primary residence. If you were to sell your property for $600,000, $500,000 of that amount would be tax exempt. The other $100,000 you would pay tax on. Now, one thing to take note of is that if you have a mortgage on your house, if you, let's say, sell your house for $200,000 and you have a $100,000 mortgage, then the tax would be based on the $100,000 of your equity, not your actual mortgage amount. The bad news would be for you landlords out there. If you are a landlord and you have not lived in your house for at least 2 of the last 5 years, you will have to pay tax on that gain. It will be long-term capital gains tax, somewhere between 15 and 20%. But you know, many people that are selling their house for cash to a buyer like LVN Real Estate have lived in the house at least 2 of the last 5 years. And if you haven't and you're a landlord, we have tax saving options for you as well, and you should give us a call today because we can help you out on how to avoid or save taxes on your sale for your rental properties. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any other questions.